Greetings my friends, I'm Andreea Astrologer and welcome to this weekly update for August 18th, August 24th. I filmed this early on August 3rd after we had the turmoil in the markets due to tariffs, so macro still influencing a lot. But stay with me because this week will be very interesting. It promises bullish sparks in the beginning, chaos later. It would be wild reversal of trends during days and also during the week as such. So let's uncover this and we will share also an important, interesting aspect highlighting the Bitcoin horoscope for the week. Monday, August 18th starts on a bullish note with a Mercury-Mars sextile, which talks about an increased momentum in the price action and in trading activity, although we might still see some fluctuations. Tuesday, August 19th continues the bullish influence from the day before with a Sun trine Chiron. Actually, this talks about reaching previous tested price levels in a upward trend, actually due to positive news in regards to regulation. So this could be really related to some good news on the macro side especially, or on institutional investments. Wednesday, August 20th, we get a break from the global astrology today. We don't have a major astrological aspect except at day level, but we have the BTC hour by hour prepared for you, and this is available as always on Gumroad. I will link it here, and for customers in US and Germany, they can check also the Shopify offering, which might be more advantageous, especially for US customers. Thursday, August 21st, we don't have a major astrological aspect except for the day, but let's zoom at a monthly level and see what happens with Bitcoin and where we are right now in the big picture. This is the monthly chart for Bitcoin as you see it, and I do have also a view of the RSI, and this is the classical one and also the one showing hidden divergences as well. So here we can see that in the last 1 to 3, 4 months we did have higher highs and also higher lows, and it was quite an aggressive price action despite of the fact that we didn't have the longer waited, and still we are waiting for the Fed rate cuts. And we see this now at the beginning of August with a bit of red here. So what are your thoughts on this? Because the longest streak we see, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months in a row which were increasing, and this happened from 2023, so it was quite a nice evolution of the price action. Will this continue? Can we really make 6 months going upward? So let me know in comments what are your thoughts on this. Friday, August 22nd, again we don't have an exact aspect in the global astrology for the day, so the price action is mainly shaped by BTC for the whole crypto market as we expect in general. And just be aware that the weekends are important, so I forgot to really tell the reminder again in the beginning. So look at the previous weekend for the beginning beginning of the week. And as always, we do have all our predictions on the UTC time zone, Universal Time Coordinated. You can go on the default time zone converter and really see what this means for you, or set trading view to UTC. For the second part of the year, we do have a 50% rebate for all our ready-made yearly reports for crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and we do have also for Nvidia a report for 2025. So check it out. The prices are already adjusted on both Gumroad and Shopify. Saturday, August 23rd, we finally see some action in the global astrology with a Venus square Chiron, which is bearish, and it points towards retesting previous levels, so some drops since it's bearish, and this will happen globally in cryptocurrency, but also in fiat markets, which are both ruled by Venus. Now, I want you to pay attention to the fact that it's weekend. It might be the case that we don't see transaction volume, but this prediction is especially relevant for Friday, and in the second part of Friday UTC time zone we can see already some turbulence, so this could be the case. Be aware of that. Sunday, August 24th, we do have a Sun-Uranus square, which talks about enhanced volatility and pump and dump scenarios which can happen during the day. I would say that this is likely to happen either in the evening UTC, when the first markets would open in the east, or we will see it only on Monday. So it could be that we start on a bearish note and with high volatility. Any peak during the day, because this happens as well with Uranus, their pump dump scenarios will not last, so be cautious and set your stop losses really with care. And now the highlight of the week. Since you are still with me, thank you for that. I would like to share the fact that we will have the beginning of the week, as we saw, pretty bullish, and this energy can be maintained also in the mid of the week. Also, we don't have the support from the global astrology anymore. I talk about Wednesday and Thursday especially, where we will have positive influences to the BTC ascendant coming from Mars and Mercury. They are pretty transient for the day or 3 days, in the mid of the week, but it will help nevertheless, and this is really specific to Bitcoin. And I would like also to share the fact that we will have another bullish aspect in the BTC horoscope, which is exact on the 19th of August, and then we do have a very, very strong conjunction between Rahu and Uranus in the BTC horoscope, and this talks about heightened volatility. With volatility we have both ways. We have the pump and we have the dump, and this will be the climate for the beginning of the week as well. So it is bullish, but we will have a lot of volatility, so be cautious. Depending on volume, we can see big movements in price, especially in the first part of the week. Thank you so much for your time, for your attention, for liking and subscribing. I appreciate that. And I would like to say that now that my holiday is over, I will provide more information in the format of long videos still to come on the eclipses which come in September. It will be a very powerful month astrologically. And at the end of August, we have another rare event, which is Pluto out of bounds. So stay tuned for more info. Thank you for that, and until next time, be joyful. See you.